The library is probably not the first place that comes to mind when you think of court, but today Community Court returned to the Central Library for the first time since its remodel. Community Court takes a different approach to combat crime. Our Vanessa Perez has the story.
Right through these doors, the Community Court is back in session here at the Central Library. The judge calls it a problem-solving court with individualized justice that leads to a safer community. This room, a different approach to holding people accountable.
Instead of just dealing with a charge, you're dealing with an individual.
Community Court focuses on non-violent crimes. We're talking malicious, mischief, theft, even sit and lie, and other low-level crimes. They don't take up domestic violence or DUI charges. In this court, the goal is to address the root cause.
If you are dealing with somebody on a one-on-one basis and you're able to help them elevate their own lives, then they are much less likely to be in the doorway of a business because they have no place else to go, and that's the safest place for them.
People are required to come to court every week and give back to the community. If they need to go through treatment, they have to follow through, along with any other needs addressed in an analysis.
The goal is find the balance, make sure that people are accountable, at the same time, make sure that you provide the services you need. And we've had a lot of support from both sides of the aisle.
Community Court averages 10 to 15 new charges a week on top of monitoring current cases.
I know for a fact, at least in my last 3 years working as the lead prosecutor in Community Court, that we've saved at least a dozen people's lives who otherwise may not still be here today.
You don't have to be charged to use Community Court. It's also a place to access services such as counseling, identification, healthcare, and more. You can walk in to receive help every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Community Court is back at the library to help shape a safer community. Reporting in Spokane, Vanessa Perez, 4 News Now.